Good morning, student. Chapter number 7, Structural Organization in Animals. First question, write a detailed note on epithelial tissue giving types of animal tissue. First of all, according to the function of cells, are 4 types of tissue in animals. First, epithelial. Second, connective. Third, muscular. And fourth, neural. Epithelial tissue is known as epithelium, means this is the first layer. This is a first layer of skin. This is the epithelium layer. Clear? This tissue has free surface which faces either body, fluid or outside environment and thus provides covering or a lining for some part of the body. Means this is a protection layer of the skin. This is epithelium layer, first layer, this, clear? Next, the cells are compactly packed with intracellular matrix. These cells are packed. This is a cell, pack of intracellular matrix. This, clear? Epithelial tissue are 2 types. First, simple epithelium and second, compound epithelium. Simple epithelium composed of a single layer, only single layer of cells, and function as a lining body cavities. It is a protection, for example, our skin. Next point, simple epithelium. On the basis of the structural modification of cells, simple epithelium further divided into 3 types. First, squamous epithelium. Second, cuboidal epithelium, and third, columnar epithelium. First of squamous epithelium. It is made up of single thin layer. Means this is a first squamous layer is a single thin layer. First of all, draw a figure A number squamous epithelium. This is a cells. This is a connective tissue layer. Flattened cell with irregular boundaries. Cells are arranged with each other like a tile. This is a tile layer. This and this and this. Clear? They are concerned with use for cement material. Cells in center. Cells are almost hexagonal and possess clear nucleus in the center. Most of the cells are hexagonal and center points of the nucleus. This type of squamous epithelium location for outermost layer of the skin of the frog. Most of the squamous epithelium found in frog are found in capillaries, alveoli, glomeruli, and outer of skin, lungs, and nephrons of kidney. Most of this type of squamous epithelium found in a layer of skin of the frog, found in capillaries, alveoli, glomeruli, outer layer of skin of lungs and nephrons of kidney. This type of function of squamous epithelium, the main function of tissue is protect inside tissues. Clear? Second, cuboidal epithelium. This is a cuboidal epithelium, means this is a cube-like structure. Cube-like structure, this is a cube-like cells. Clear? This tissue is made up of only single layer and cube-like cells possess a clear nucleus in the middle. The cells of tissue sometimes microvilli. This is a microvilli on the free end of absorbent surface for this renal tube. This is a renal tube. Location of the cuboidal epithelium. This tissue is mostly common found in ducts of glands and tubular parts of nephrons in kidney. In ovary and testes, they are called germinal epithelium. Function of this cuboidal epithelium. These cells take place in a process like secretion, most important sentence, secretion of gastric juice, and intestinal juice, excretion and absorbance. This is the main function of the cuboidal epithelium. Columnar epithelium, third type, it is a column shape. Columnar epithelium is composed of single layer of tall and slender cell. This is a tall and slender cell, and the nuclei are located in the base. Free surface may have microvilli and their inner ends of narrow. This is a narrow side, and the free ends of broad or polygonal. This is a polygonal cells. Clear? And location of this columnar epithelium, they are found in lining most probably stomach and intestine. Clear? Function of this columnar epithelium, help in absorbance and secretion. Most probably absorbance secretion for nutrient or water. Ciliated epithelium, last, ciliated epithelium. This is outer layer. If the columnar or cuboidal cells bear cilia on their free surface, they are called ciliated epithelium. So this figure D, their function is to move particles or mucus in a specific direction over the epithelium. This is a specific direction over the epithelium. They are mainly present inner surface for hollow organs like bronchioles and fallopian tubes. Next, glandular epithelium. Some of the columnar and cuboidal cells get specialized secretion are called glandular epithelium. This type of glandular epithelium. And second, unicellular epithelium. Uni means one, and multicellular epithelium means more than cell. There are mainly two types. Unicellular glandular epithelium, it is consists of isolated glandular cells. Means glandular cells is a Golgi cells of alimentary canal. Unicellular means isolated glandular cells. These cells, Golgi cells of alimentary canal. Second, multicellular glandular epithelium for salivary gland. On the basis of the mode of pouring, secretion glands divided in two categories, mainly exocrine and endocrine. Exocrine gland mean outside, endocrine glands mean inside. First, exocrine glands. These exocrine glands secrete mucus, saliva, airwax oil, milk, digestive enzymes and other cell products, and these products are released through the ducts or tubes. This is the main function of this exocrine gland. Endocrine gland means inside the cell, do not have duct. Most probably do not have ducts. Their products called mostly hormones and secreted directly into fluid for bathing the gland. Second, compound epithelium. Compound epithelium, it is a two types. First, multilayer without cell means stratified epithelium. Stratified epithelium, compound epithelium means it is a multi-layered cells. In this epithelium, cells forming different layers are not alike. It possesses more than only one layer arrangement, so it is found multi-layer cells. The cells of lower most layer arranged on the basal membrane. This is a basal membrane. Outer membrane means it is known as a Malpighian layer. Due to friction, wear tear cells from free surface become this is a flattened cell and get eliminated, while cells lower side are added towards new cell by division, and cells which are pushed outside, this is an outside layer, become flattened and become non-living, losing protoplasma cells and get deposition of carotene. Most important sentence this. The outer surface of stratified epithelium possesses, this is a squamous epithelium, and stratified stratified epithelium may contain carotene or may not contain carotene. This is the location of compound epithelium found wear and tear is flat in the part like dry surface of skin, in living rectum, buccal cavity, tongue, pharynx. This is the body parts, salivary glands, esophagus and vagina of mammals. This is a chapter of humans discuss of this all detailed parts of the body. Next time. Function. It has limited role secretion and absorbance, and their main function is to provide protection against chemical and mechanical stress. Clear? Connection between epithelials. Connection between epithelials means all cells in the epithelium are held together with little intracellular material. Next lecture. Thank you, student.